3, 523. Baseball jersey. Rick 1, Joe Marone 2, Scraps 2, Roy 2, Craig 4, Jeff 2, John Kilmer 5, Wes 2, Susan 1, John Phillips 2, Chad 2, MVB 2, Susan 1, and Wes with 2. Alright, 5 times for 5 times. Here we go. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And MVB, you're on top. John Phillips, you're on the bottom. 5 times for 5 times. In case you guys are calling B, here you are. Alright, Chad, Astros, Rays, Craig, Braves, Indians, Marlins, Athletics, D Scraps, Tigers, Cards, Jeff, Reds, Jays, Joe Marone, Padres, Rangers, John, Pirates, Nationals, John, White Sox, Rockies, Royals, Dodgers, Brewers, MVB, Diamondbacks, Red Sox, Rick, Mariners, Roy's, Twins, Yankees, Susan, Orioles, Cubs, Wes, Angels, Mets, Phillies, and Giants. Alright, let me know. Any trades here, guys? Any trades, any trades? Alright, guys, here we go. Jersey combos up next. I gotta get the combo section to grow. Alright, let's get it. Sealed up. Okay. Brett, I think you're missing the boat on that one, bud. They just called it 10 by 10 because it's 10 by 10. But if you increase the odds for something, usually the reason the odds are good is because the reward is good. So the higher the risk, the higher the reward. So the more people, the larger it would be. Number 12 is Darling. Very nice, Darling. WP862475 for the New York Mets. Number 12, Darling. New York Mets, number 12, Darling. All right. Alright, New York Mets, let's go into Wes. Alright, Wes, there you go, man. Very good. Let me just fold this real quick. Put it back in the bag. Alright, there you go, Wes. Very nice, man. Nice baseball jersey. Alright. Let's see, New York Mets, Wes. Alright, very cool. 5 times, guys. Top spot, free spot in the bonus break. TriStar Baseball once, twice. 3, 4, 5. And Roy Royce. There you go, man. Free spot. That was number 5 baseball jersey. Okay, number 5 baseball jersey. or number 3. 523, I mean. Alright, very good. Nice baseball jersey for the Mets. Up next, baseball combo. Never miss a live break, guys. Appreciate it. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have combo, followed by premium jersey, followed by premium mini, followed by mosaic. And we're going to do the 10 by 10 real quick because I keep forgetting. Alright, guys. Again, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn notifications, click that little bell. Never miss a live break, guys. Thank you.